Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to mute Facebook stories and how to unmute them. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful software you don't know exist. So let's open the Facebook app. Let's open the story section. Here let's choose one of the stories. If you don't want to hear more about this person's stories, just tap the three dots at the top right next to the cross sign, and there is mute Christian story. So stop seeing updates to their story on Facebook. We tap on that. We can choose the duration for the mute. Let's select until I unmute it. Now, if we want to unmute it, we need to open our profile and add story. We don't need to actually publish something, but we need to get on this screen. On this screen, just tap at the bottom left privacy, and here under other settings, stories you have mute. Now you can simply unmute it. So that's it for the 15 useful software. Just click the link at the top of this video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed.